Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we run. One of my students had been living in Ukraine up until February the 24th when the full-scale Russian invasion began. And at that point, she fled the country with her small son, and they're now living with a host family in Maidstone, which is the largest town in Kent. I say that, but compared to London, it's actually quite a small town. I think the population's just over 100,000, whereas the population of London is somewhere around the 10 million mark. I mention this because the other day she came up to London on a day trip with her son, and it was the first time they'd really been up to the big city, and she was shocked by quite how busy it was in the centre of the city. She said that as she was walking around, she was really surprised because all of the central streets were absolutely heaving. If you describe a place as being heaving or absolutely heaving, you mean that they're very busy and they're full of people. So you might hear people say things like, "Oh, I popped into the market earlier, it was heaving." "Oh, the bar we went to on Friday night was absolutely heaving. It took me half an hour to get served at the bar." You also hear about places being heaving with people, maybe certain kinds of people. So maybe when there's a big sports event on, a bar near the stadium might be heaving with journalists or heaving with fans. Sometimes when I go into places like Leicester Square, which isn't one of my favourite parts of London, shall we say, I find yet again it's absolutely heaving with tourists. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of places you've been to that were absolutely heaving.